My name is Jason Dasher with Capital Solutions. Today we're going to talk about paying off a truck lease. We get many requests for this sort of thing every week. Guy is leased on to another company and he wants to pay the truck off so he can drive elsewhere. The main motivation here is to drive for another company. There's many reasons for that, which we're going to go into right now. Why would a guy want to do this? Why would he want to pay the truck off where he's at? What are the motivations behind that? The first reason that we find a guy wants to pay his truck off is that he's not getting enough miles from the company that he's driving for, and he's not making enough money. So he wants to get rid of the company he's signed on with right now and go drive for another company. Many times the expenses with his current company are eating into his revenue too much, and his net income from the company is not sufficient, so he wants to make a move. They're making decent money, but they could make more elsewhere. A lot of these guys will get a great contract, but they're signed on with this other company, so they want to cash out their current truck and take it to somewhere else. Of course, there's lots of other reasons. Many times a guy wants to, he's offered a contract maybe to drive locally or regionally, so he's home every night. Sometimes he's not happy, personalities clash or something like that, but he still wants to make a move. The amount of money owed on the trucks is often too high. He doesn't have 10, 20 grand laying around, so he needs commercial truck financing. So how do you get that kind of financing? It's not like a truck purchase where you get financing through a dealer or something like that. There's not very many companies that will do this sort of thing, so it's a bit tough. And yeah, a lot of these guys' credit isn't so good, so that makes it even more difficult. Some possible solutions to this we'll talk about right now. The first thing you want to do to get prepared for this is to get a payoff on the truck, and if it includes the trailer, of course, find out exactly what's owed on the truck and trailer so you know what you're dealing with. Get a realistic value on the truck. Think in terms of a buyer, not a seller. You want to think bottom number, so again, you go in prepared and educated. You're not looking too optimistic to the bank. More equity the better. Lenders love equity, so if you got a big spread between the value of the truck and what's owed on it, you're in a better position. First step is to contact your banker. You're showing a payment history. A lot of them won't do semi-truck financing, but if you show that kind of payment history and you've got the equity, they may turn around and do it. Contact a credit union. Credit unions were very strong for different types of commercial truck financing. In the past, the recession softened them up a little bit, but now they are starting to come back around. I encourage you very much to, even if you're not with a credit union, go open a small account, get a relationship going with them. They are a good, they're my worst competition, let me put it that way. They're working with guys with soft credit, and they're coming back as a force in the semi-truck financing industry, so check that out. That's good advice right there. And if all else fails, or if you have other motivations, call independent truck financing companies, which we are one. There are others out there. I know of 3 or 4 independent commercial truck financing companies that will do this sort of thing. Give them a call, and you can maybe get something done that way. If you are having a tough time getting financing somewhere, the first thing to do is maybe pull in a co-signer with good credit, hopefully in the trucking industry, and maybe that can get the deal done. Buying the balance down as an example, let's say you owe $20,000 on the truck. If you have $5 grand, you can put towards that. Now you're financed at 15, and that's another way of making the deal sweeter to the bank. Of course, additional collateral, this falls into our category. If you have a weak credit profile, etc., putting some other trucks or equity in real estate or heavy equipment on the line in addition to the truck, that might get the deal done as well. Success. What is success? How does it happen? If you have, again, lots of truck equity, that's really good, or good credit, that will help you get success on this. Strong cosigner, we talked about that before. Having a good strong cosigner will better your odds if you need one. And of course, additional collateral. So to get it done, if you have any questions, give me a call. The number's on the screen. Even if you don't have collateral, but you want to talk to a guy that's been through the process 100,000 times, and I've certainly talked to more people than that. If you want to bounce some ideas off me, give me a call, and perhaps I can help you. Good luck with you with your trucking business out there, and let me know if we can help you.